Drinking lemon water every day has these effects. Lemon is widely used as a flavor. Looking at it from another angle, however, it has a lot of benefits to offer to our bodies, especially when taken regularly. A glass of lemon in the morning would do us so much good than we could ever dream of. Make it a habit of drinking lemon water every morning and you would benefit from the following. But before we dive into this, please subscribe to our channel, click the like button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our ever amazing content. Now, have you done that? Let's dive right into this. Lemon water helps keep the skin soft and smooth. It keeps it fresh from harsh climates and always hydrated. Your skin would look nice and healthy if you consume a glass of lemon water every morning. When taken regularly, especially in the mornings, lemon water acts as a great detoxifier. It would give the body much cleanup as required. Lemons are good at rehydrating. After a strenuous exercise, lemons would help rehydrate you fast enough. When taken in the mornings, it would keep you hydrated throughout the day. If you are the type to sweat all day, the best thing you can do to your body is to drink a glass of lemon water every morning. This would keep the fluid in your body throughout the day. Taking a glass of lemon water in the morning kickstarts digestion. Take a glass of lemon water in the morning and your system would work at an optimal level. Lemon is available in abundance. Get it incorporated in your lifestyle and you would be amazed at the benefits that you would get. Remember to like, subscribe and click on the notification button.